Hi guys, this is my last video. This is it. We have reached the end of NTI. I can't believe it, yet it's felt so long and so short at the same time. I'm not gonna lie, this is not my first take. I've been a little emotional doing this because I'm gonna be reading you guys my letter today. Now, your assignment is that you're to write me a letter, but how would that be fair until I wrote a letter of my own? So I have it on my phone. First, I started my computer didn't work. If I get emotional, I'm sorry, but I just want to let you know before I even read it, like, I love you guys. You guys mean the world to me, and I hope that you feel connected to this letter. Here we go. So, I'm going to read from it. Here we go. A little nervous. My darling students, can you believe it's been over 8 months since we all first met? I remember wearing my bright yellow web shirt and smiling so big when I saw you all come into the cafeteria. I saw some nervous faces, some excited faces, and some confused faces. However, if you had the chance to catch my face during that day, I was glowing. I was so excited to meet you guys, and now I feel lucky to know you all. From the first week, I could tell you guys were a special group. You have great humor, you have great attitudes, and most of you have a really good work ethic. I felt really blessed to be your teacher this year. Our memories that we created this past year, they won't fade. But I will miss you guys seeing you in my room as my students, as my kids. Even though you will always be my students, I am devastated for how the end of the year turned out. The first thing I would do differently if I could go back is hug you guys and tell you guys how much you meant to me on what we didn't know was our last day. I would have not given any work. I wouldn't have given any tests, but I would have spent that time appreciating what we did have. Because even though we were gypped a few months, that doesn't take away the fact that you were my students and you guys were amazing to have in class. I have watched you work online and I've watched you work in class. And I just want to let you guys know you're stronger because of this. You are more independent because of this. I hope that there is one thing I've taught you, besides language arts, is to value two things: kindness and hard work. I've told you this before. Remember that the only thing that cannot be taken away from you is your education, so work hard. Be the best. If you struggle, ask for help. I will always be there for you. Room 407 is a safe space. I look forward to the day where you get to come back and visit me, and I can't wait to see you all. But before I go, I want to give you 3 wishes and hopes that I have for you guys. It's hard. One is I hope you visit. I hope you feel like my room is home enough for you to say hello. And I'm not just talking about next year. In the future, when you're in high school or college, or even have families and jobs of your own, I hope you visit and share all the great things you accomplish. Number 2, I hope you have faith in yourself. There's not a day that goes by that I don't think about you guys. There is not a day that I don't wish there is nothing but the best for you. But that is my wish. It needs to be yours. Be the best person for yourself. Don't fall to peer pressure. Be your best self. And that will lead you to my wish number 3. I hope you find true happiness. Every day of your life will not be the best day. You will struggle and you will grow. But I hope you find something you love, live for each day, and be truly, purely happy. Know that I love you. Know that I am proud of you. Know that I will miss you not being in my class next year. I will always be your 6th grade teacher. Never forget that. But I will be your teacher also for life. All my love, Miss Halligan. I can't wait to see what you guys have to rate me.